Hey guys, what's going on? It's That Home Theater Dude. We're at Cedia 2022, about to check out this Devialet booth. You guys saw that video over at Expona. It was wildly popular from the show, so we figured might as well copy and paste it, do it again. These guys are doing something really, really incredible inside. They're going to let you know all about it, but we're going to do it right after the intro.
It's a mix of Phantom 1 and Phantom 2. These units are called Phantom 2 Custom. They're Dante enabled, which means I could hook them up to an Ethernet switch. I could hook our AV receiver up to that switch and do all of the channeling via software.
First to the key.
First to the egg.
I'll play some music for you now too to show you what it's like on a system like this. There's a bunch of ways to take a stereo sound source and kind of extrapolate it out for all of these channels. This JBL Synthesis AV receiver gives me a lot of those options. They all do it a little bit differently. They all approach it in a different way. Some of them just kind of take reverb trails and put them around you. This one in particular, the Dolby one, it's kind of like the original one. You know, they're actually kind of able to isolate instruments into different channels, which is pretty cool. Helps you kind of rediscover, you know, songs you've known for a long time. You're hearing it in a whole new way.
Well, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the Devialet booth here. This was an incredible setup. 0 subs in the room, and the overall experience is just mind-blowing. So I haven't necessarily seen something like this, and it's really, really cool to come out to Cedia and see things that you wouldn't necessarily be able to at home. But definitely recommend checking these guys out. Links in the description if you guys want to grab any of these things. That's all I got for you guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Catch you next time.